In this video, we will be doing a short proof involving the no choice theorem. So we have the givens and proof here, and down here we'll do the proof and put it on the diagram. So first, angle X is congruent to angle ZBC given. Angle X right here is congruent to angle ZBC down here. Then angle Z is congruent to angle Z, reflexive property. So now angle Z is right there. You'll notice that it is in this small triangle and it is also in the big triangle here. It's in both, thus reflexive. From there, angle ZCB is congruent to angle V, no choice theorem, also called third angle theorem. Either one of those is fine. You can see that these two red single mark angles are congruent, and then this is congruent to itself with the double marks, leaving us with no choice that angle ZCB and angle V are congruent. Thus the no choice theorem, or you can think if these two single mark red angles are congruent, and then this second angle with double marks is congruent, these third angles in these triangles have to be congruent because triangles add up to 180 degrees. Thus there is no choice but for the third angles to be congruent. And that is our proof.